Hey guys, I'm coming back to you with another hair video. This is a sponsored video by Leeven Hair Company. They're a seller on Amazon, and if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful look, just keep on watching. This packaging was so satisfying to me. They did an amazing job for some crochet hair. They put a lot of work and effort into this packaging. This Leeven Hair Company, www.leeven.com, and they give you this nice little duffel bag to put your hair in after you finish or you take it out. It's the perfect little thing. I love it, love it, love it. So in this pack came 6 bundles of hair. So you have 6 bundles of hair. It was 21 in there per bundle, which made a total of 126. A nice little crochet needle and a couple jewels as well. So check them out, Leeven Hair on Amazon. Inside of the package, I'm just showing you here how the hair look. It is 24 inches long and I really like it. And these are the faux locs. I'm just learning how to pronounce their word. These are the faux locs, and they are 24 inches long. You can't really see the good length on here, but they are really long, and once I put them out, lay them out, you'll see them. So it was 21 pieces per pack. And here I'm just doing the regular method that I normally do, the rubber bands going to the back and then the French braids going to the back as well. You'll see all the details once I'm done, but it's a really simple style to make it look exactly like their individual braids, although they're actually crochets. See, there it is right there. She looks great. I got just 3 braids going to the back, and then the rest I'm going to do French braids going straight back. So here I'm done with the braiding, and so I just connected all the braids together with rubber bands, braided them back, and she had a total of 8 braids on her head here. And this is just a closer up look view, and the parts don't have to be straight or anything. You will never ever see these parts again. So they don't have to be straight. So I did the best that I could. I'm just learning how to French braid, but I'm getting better every day.
You don't have to do this part at all, but what I decided to do was count the braids that she had on her head, which was 8 braids, and I divided all the hair in equal parts so that I know how many strands I had per braid, so I would not have to guess and put more on one braid and less on the other braid. So I just rationed it out or counted it out for 8 braids. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I actually left the front braids, I left that in the pack. So those front braids, we know we have enough for the front, and then we'll have enough for these 8 braids that she has going to the back.
And here you can see I'm just doing the regular crochet method. I usually always start from the back, but some people like to start from the front, but I normally start from the back and work my way up. All you do is put the crochet hook in, you put the braid that's on the piece of hair that's on there, and you pull it through. And this hair does have the pre-loops at the end, so all you have to do is put it on there, pull it through, and you are done. So I did the back, and the total of this hairstyle took about 3 hours, or a little bit less than 3 hours. So it did not take that long at all. Love it. So cute, so cute. And here I'm just finishing up the front part. I won't talk through the whole video, but just finishing up the front part with a few extra braids. I'm gonna do all of those, and then there's a few extra ones I go back and fill in, and after that she is done. And this is the Leeven 24-inch ombre hair. It's the new fall locks, and they're the 24 inches. That's the picture right there on Amazon of the hair. It comes in a pack of 6 in the color T30. And the best part, I don't know if you guys saw that or if you missed that little part, this hair was about $45, I think it said. I missed it just that quick. About $45, but it was under $50 for the entire pack. And the entire pack of hair was enough to complete her entire head, which is amazing. Because sometimes around here they send you this hair that's not enough, but this one had plenty. And she actually had a few strands left. She was able to take those home just in case she needed them for next time. And I want to shout out my beautiful sister-in-law for being my model for this hairstyle. I had hair to review myself and I didn't have enough heads actually to do them on. So she volunteered to be my model. So thank you, Tracy. She did a great job as my first model. And we are all done. This hair turned out better than I ever expected. She looks so gorgeous with this hair. And look at her little green lipstick on. She look cute or whatever. Got her little jewels and stuff on there. She is so cute. She love her hair. And I would have never thought it would have turned out this gorgeous. But it is beautiful. Leeven Hair Company. Check them out on Amazon.